Hi everyone, learn how to tie this beautiful Zara with rose at the back. I'm working with Ankara material and it is 2 yards and a cardboard. So I will start by placing the cardboard in the Ankara and then I'm going to fold it. Okay, that's number 1. I'm going to fold it again, number 2. Continue to fold, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's the last one now. So after, when I reach this point, I'm going to turn my hand, then place it on my head. So the measurement I'll be using now is 90-10. Okay, one side is going to be longer than the other side. So after placing it and taking the measurement, I'm going to arrange it on my head, then hold both of them together, replace my hand with a rubber band. Okay, make sure you use the color of rubber band that won't be obvious at the back there. So I'm going to bring it out, then tie it again. Make sure I tie it properly. Okay, so please, if today is the first time you are coming across my video, please follow this page and also help me to like and share this video. Okay, thank you very much for doing that. I appreciate. So once I'm done, I'm going to tuck in the remaining from the 10 into the 90, then wrap the 90. Now see what I'm wrapping it inwardly. I'll continue to wrap to the end. Okay, I'm wrapping it to the end. Once I'm done, I'm going to stretch it out, stretch, then place it on my head, take it to the back, take the remaining to the back and pass it through the rubber band there at the back there. Okay, bring everything out entirely and arrange it. You can see, just follow the steps, it is very easy. So this remaining part is where I'm going to be forming this rose, but to form this rose I'm going to remove it from my head so I can be able to see it very well, because I can't see it from the back there. Okay, I'm going to place it on my head now to form this rose. So to form this rose now, I'm going to open everything and fold in the edges. Just watch my hand, see what I'm doing. Fold in the edges, continue to fold. You can see I'm achieving the rose gradually. Take everything, wrap it to the end. Then at this end part here, I'm going to secure it with a pin. After securing with a pin, I'm going to arrange it. Okay, are you watching me from? Are you watching me from Nigeria, from Kenya, from India, from South Africa, from Ghana? Are you watching from Canada? Are you watching from Germany, UK, US? Anyway your location is, let us know at the comment section. Okay, so I'm done with it. I've removed it and I'm placed it back on my head and arrange it. You can see this style is very easy and it is very simple. You can tie it and keep it anytime you want to use it. You take it and put it on your head. Okay, so this is the end product. That's the back, the side and the front. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate. Bye bye.